What's up, guys? Welcome to A Reseller's Life. My name is Chris. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I had to rent the truck because the finds at the garage sale were too big to fit into my Prius. Also ran into part-time pickers Matt. He's always a cool guy to run into. He is local near me, so I'm gonna bump into him now that I'm doing garage sales. But the goal of the garage sales is to find $500 to $1,000 just on Saturday in profit. So let's see how we did today. Let's get into it. All right, guys, Jennifer and I are going to try to make $1,000 profit today. Let's see what happens. Matt, what's up?
Oh,
how are you? How you doing?
Hi,
good to see you.
This is my dad, Steve.
Hello. Steve, how's it going? Nice to meet you.
How are you?
Matt inspired me to come out.
Oh, yeah?
Yep.
He's another YouTube star.
Cool.
One of those OGs.
Something I just have in the house in general. Extra storage. Yeah, we're thinking about the fireman's hats, but
Yeah?
I don't know.
They're kind of cool.
I'd be a little weird wearing one because I'm not a fireman, you know.
I know. I found a Secret Service hat, but I'm not in the Secret Service.
Well, that would be cool because what idiot Secret Service guy would actually be wearing a hat?
That's true. These are cool. I think these are cool. They're Scotch tape dispensers.
Seriously? That's kind of cool. I never would have guessed that's what they are, but yeah, you're right. I've never seen anything like it.
Bacon press.
That's the year I was born. I gotta get me a shirt like that. Oh yeah. 1959.
How much are these?
$1.
Okay.
Wow, you're a baby compared to me. Oh yeah? Yeah. I'm not that much of a baby anymore. There's
$1 each or $1 for both?
might be bringing out.
$1.
Okay. Sounds good. Thank you.
Is that coming out? Yep. Little small frame on it. No?
Not really.
Oh yeah. Go for it. Good for burgers too.
Yeah.
Already found all the ones.
Yeah, you got more? There might be some more in that. I'm not surprised.
Ready to go to the next one?
Yep.
All right, let's do it. Matt, catch up with you later.
See you later.
See ya.
See you at the next one.
See you at the next one.
All those pig pictures. What's that about?
I don't know.
Did you see them? There's like 10
Pig pictures?
huge photos.
Wait, I want
of
to see.
pigs.
Let's see before we take off.
Oh, you guys down here. This is inside. There's like a whole bunch more.
Oh.
Like giant photos of pigs in there.
I mean, but they're cute. Yeah, I got you.
What's up with that though?
I don't know.
I mean, you know. Think is out, I guess.
Each their own. Okay, garage sale number 2.
Do you like this? Probably kind of cool. for food.
What's that? Oh, this one? I'm gonna get 10. Yeah. I think it's old.
Yeah.
I think. Alright, treasures.
I mean,
How about $3 for that brand new, never used backpack?
it's not new, but $3 works.
No? Not new?
I don't think so, but that is okay. Oh, you're spilling water.
You're spilling some water.
Oh,
Careful.
I'm spilling water? No, one of my water's open.
Haley, was that Kate's backpack?
Yeah, it was merch.
What's that? Yeah. My daughter works there.
Oh, awesome.
Oh, Dad, I drove out the globe.
Oh, yeah, that's electric. It lights up.
Oh, yeah?
About $3.
Really? Okay, this one, right?
Yep. Oh, yeah.
Do you have $2 change?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good?
Yep.
What's that?
This guy's asking about cars.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. Has this been used? Looks new. It's a magic mesh door. Let me ask.
You have to have a spring
I
door.
took all the lights out. I think I just hung it up further than my tree. $1?
Okay. Thank you.
How much are you, Chris?
All right, let's go. And I at sale number 3.
Will you go first? Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
How are you?
All right.
Morning.
Morning. How much are the car strips?
Power strips?
How many do you want?
I don't know. Second, I could use it. I don't know. How much are they?
$2, please.
But
And the fan?
Got,
It's pretty good iron.
3 for this. Okay. There's
6 and 5 for 11.
hmm.
Thank you. Okay.
I'll just gonna move my car around a little bit.
Okay.
Thank you.
Got a good treadmill if anyone's interested.
It's nice. It works?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. There's the paperwork on it. We've got all the papers.
That will sell today for
It
sure.
has an extra thick pad on it so that when you're walking, it's not a super hard surface. It's more cushiony. You can try it if you want.
No, I believe you.
We got it in '04, and it was $2,300. We used it for years, but just kind of got out of it, and it's just been sitting in here for a few years, not really being used.
I got you.
So, but it's great condition. I used to use it and watch the TV.
Would you do 200?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. And let's see. I want... How much are the Puppy Pal little things? Those toys? These two of them? These two Puppy Pal toys?
Oh,
Those, like toy banks?
Eva or Ingrid, the toys.
There's like 2 coin banks. Puppy coin banks.
Oh, she didn't tell me how much she wanted. What would you give me for that? Here you go.
Like $1 a piece? $2 a piece?
Brand new. Okay, $2 each.
Okay. Can I have this coloring book?
Oh,
Like,
sure.
with this? Okay.
Sure.
All right, cool.
Add that with it.
$2 each.
I'm sorry, if I'm eating it, how much you give me? Take them with some things, $2 each.
Okay.
So I'm picking them up, so
Did you give me the
I
one?
want some to zip 5 from you.
Okay.
Oh, great. Thank you.
You're welcome. So I need to get a friend to lend me his truck. So can I
Okay.
contact you later today?
Sure.
Or okay.
Yeah.
Let me put this in my car. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Let me do this.
Does he need paper and pencil to get his name on there and all that?
Okay.
Yeah, I'll
And,
leave my info.
That's for the
The-
puppy things?
yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you want a bag? Let me give you a bag. Hold on.
Oh, sure. Thanks.
So this is sold. He's taking the treadmill.
Okay. Treadmill?
Yep.
So when do you think he'll be back for?
Let me call a friend and I'll let you know just a moment before I leave. Let's see. Let me see. And the puppies. Let's see.
I said 5 and then she's back.
Will that sell?
Yeah. It was.
The lingerie that you put your
These 2 items.
I'd say 2, 1,
Okay.
3 altogether.
That work.
Right there, hanging on the tree. They're lovely.
I'll just be back. Can I just come back around noon, or is that too late?
Sure. No,
Okay.
that's fine.
Great.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
Yeah, you too.
Come get it, or what's the deal?
Yeah, I'll come get it later after. I wonder if I can roll up this. Oh, should I guess I should have pulled forward. Is this okay right here? Pretty sweet. I'm actually pretty stoked that I was able to unload the treadmill by myself with just a cart. What's up, guys? Thanks for stopping by. We did 5 sales, estimated profit $700. See you guys next time. Make progress daily.